How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another midweek episode of Home Built. On this week's episode, it's going to be a bit of a rushed one. I've been called out to work again, and I've got about an hour free before I have to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack on with the Mini because it's nearly finished. I'm going to see how much of the machine polishing I can get done in the next hour, and then I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of Charlie, and hopefully by the time I get back tonight, he'll have finished the polishing, headlights will be in, stickers will be on, centre caps will be on, and the Mini will be ready to go up for sale. So let's get into it, roll the intro. Right guys, that's me done. It's time for me to jump in the car and head to my next appointment. I've got everything done except that door, so it's time to hand you over to Charlie and he'll crack on with the rest of it.
What's up everyone? Dad's just left me on my own, but I've got a few things I need to get done. I don't know if Dad's told you, but I'm going to start by getting the headlights in, and then we can move on and I'll show you the new wheel badges we got. Right, change of plan. I can't actually find the bolts for the headlights, so I've asked Darren if he can grab some, if he's got any. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish the door, machine polishing, and then the rest of the kind of wing, and then I'll get the wheel caps in. So yeah, I'll get doing that.
Find some smoke. Did that machine polish right?
Hey? Did that machine polish right?
Did you do it right?
I don't know. Yeah.
Do a cross hatch. Eh?
Yeah,
overlap feet.
And you're going up and down.
Go overlap by 50%. Yeah, so you're overlapping all the time, and then go up and down. But if you have a look in there, smooth some small ones down here.
Right. Thank you. So I just finished the door, and I was going to go and do the wheel caps and put them in the wheel, but Darren, he came over with a box of stuff and it's got the perfect size nuts so I can fit these headlights. Yes, I did, I couldn't find them, but Darren once again has got the right thing for the right job. So I'll try and dig out 6, because you need 6, there's 3 bolts. I'll try and find 6 of the nuts, and then we can get the headlights in before it gets dark. Okay, so I've never done this before, but I've had a look and there's these 3 little bits on the back, and you just put them through. There's a hole here, and then up here there's also a hole. Put it through there, set it in so it's nice and straight, and then you just tighten the nuts up. I'm pretty sure they're 8mm, but yeah, once again, I've never done this myself. I've had a look at some images online, and I'm pretty sure this is the right side headlight. Oh yeah, there we go, it says right there. But yeah, I like to think of myself as a pretty independent person. I'm sure Dad would say different, but I'm sure I can do this. No bother, so we'll start. Yeah, so now that sits in there like that, all the bolts are lined up. I'm going to go grab an 8mm socket. I've got my bolts in there nice and safe. I'll go grab my 8mm socket so I can then tighten them up. Just in case it's not 8mm, I'll take a little ball with me. So, got my 8mm, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go put them so that they're finger tight, and then I'll nip them up with this, and then once they're all nipped up evenly, I'll then tighten them down. Right, gonna need some spacers. Right, got some washers now. Hopefully this works. There we go, not bad. I think I did it. I mean, it's not falling out, which is a good start. Doesn't move. Nice even gap around it. So, I think I did something right. Now I'll get the next one out. This one done. That's the exact same, just opposite. Wasn't too hard. I did drop the bolt a couple of times. But it's a good thing we got plenty of spares. That's why you should always have spares, because you always drop them, especially doing car stuff. But yeah, hopefully I'll get this one done before it gets dark, and then we'll go on to the wheels. So yeah, cue the time lapse again. Okay, so I'm not sure when the camera turned off, but I smashed out that headlight. It literally took less than like 3 minutes, super easy. First one took a while, but I learned, so smashed it out, and I'm so glad the Mini's finally put back together, almost fully, and yeah, just looks so much better. If you haven't seen the video where we did the headlight restoration, we'll leave the link up in the top right hand corner, but yeah, this is looking so much better. There's a nice even gap around it all. It's had new bolts put in with new washers, and they've got the special little blue bit on them that makes them not come loose, so they should be good. I'm pretty sure I've tightened them up good. They're definitely on the right side, and yeah, time for the wheel caps. Okay, so if any of you remember back when we first got the Mini, these wheels were pretty much trashed. In the centre, wheel caps were all rusty and bobbly, and they looked super bad, so we just binned them and we got some brand new ones. These were like £8, £10 off Amazon. I'm sure you can get them on eBay as well. We got them with Prime, so we got them the next day, but I'm sure eBay will also have something cheaper, so I'm pretty sure these just clip in. They're all the same, so I don't think it matters on what wheels they go on. But yeah, these ones look so much better. Nice sparkly, clean finish. I've also washed my hands from doing the headlights, so I don't get them dirty fingerprints and all that. So I'm gonna line them up with the bolts, with the bolts so that it's straight, and then just press it in. So much better. The last thing that I'm going to get done today is I need to put the back mini badge back on. So I've peeled the old 3M tape off. I'm going to clean the surface with some brake cleaner or some thinners with this rag, and then I'll put some new 3M tape on and we'll get it stuck on. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. I'm so happy now that we've got the headlights back in and all the badges, and it's looking so much better. But that's going to be it for today's video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share it with all your friends, because we do really appreciate it. If you've got anything that will help us out, leave it in the comments below. We read all of them and it does really help us. If you want some merch or any homebuilt auto care, you can head over to the yourhomebuilt.com website, pick some up. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Stay tuned, roll the outro.